Good morning, my angels. So today I am feeling very bold. I am wanting to do something that is extra in a way. I am not wanting to really play up with the eyes. I'm wanting to do a bold lip. So I was like, you know what, let's get some essential products that I love to use, and let's do it. So you guys, it's kind of early, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I just woke up not too long ago, and I was like, you know what, this morning I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna film, because I have been filming like super late at night, like really late. So here we are, here filming today. So I'm gonna put some chapstick on first, because my lips are extra crusty. Whew, that feels so much better. And for lipstick, I love using just this good old BlizzTech over Carmex any day, and that's on period. So the next step, we are going to moisturize. I feel like my face is hella ashy right now because I literally just cleansed my face, combed my hair down, did my brows, put on a little 1-2 or whatever, a little jewelry. So I feel like my face is extra crusty and my voice sounds extra raspy. I sound like a whole man over here. So my moisturizer I like to use is the CeraVe. This is their ultralight moisturizing lotion, and I like that it does come with SPF 30. Perfect for normal to oily skin types. So I just take one pump and I just get it on there. I always wear this. I run through this stuff like clockwork. I wear this whether I'm wearing makeup or not. So now that we are good and moisturized, I let this sit on my face for a little bit before I do makeup. Sometimes I'll go do whatever it is I was doing or finish getting ready, just so this can really do what it's supposed to do and work and soak into the skin. So for my foundation, since I am going to be running some errands, I am going to be outside. I know that we should not probably be outside, but I really do have business to take care of, you guys. So honey, we gotta do what we gotta do. Just make sure you sanitizing, make sure you washing your hands, sis, and make sure you staying in 6 feet. You know what I'm saying? Just sometimes we have to do, y'all. I know. So this is the L'Oreal Freshwater Foundation. If I had to go into the drugstore and pick a foundation like all day, every day, it would be this foundation right here. Maybelline Fit Me, Maybelline Superstay could never. Period. And who is texting me? This stuff is amazing, and it also has some extra SPF in it as well. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I thought I may point it out. So I really did my brows really good today, you guys. Like, I didn't even have to do the whole unibrow thing. Like, they even, like, y'all see? Yes, I got them perfect today. So that's a go. And I got them how I like them. Like, they're super dark. Lately, I feel like they've been a little bit too light or a little off or something. But I sharpened my pencil, sis. Like, and we got it together. Like, they looking good. You see what I'm saying? They're looking bomb. So now that the face makeup is on, I am going to go ahead and move on to my concealer. I forgot to mention, I'm sorry you guys, I did use Fenty Beauty as my primer. And I love that primer because I feel like it gives me that glow that I have been wanting lately. And I do have combination skin, but sometimes I really do enjoy a glow to my skin. So that is a really good primer as well. So moving on to concealer, I am using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer. And I love this concealer. I feel like I don't get to use it as often as I would like, because sometimes I'm just gonna be honest, like sometimes I forget about it because I have so many other concealers. But this one is amazing, you guys. And this one is not like in my my makeup like that's on my vanity that I use like crazy. So sometimes I forget about this one, but it needs to go in there. But y'all, the container is so huge, like I just can't be fooling around with all of this. Like it's too big to put where I put my concealers. Do y'all get what I'm saying? It's too early. And if you guys cannot tell by this video, I am not a morning person, sis, at all. I really need to get some lunch, you guys. Like, but I am not a super early eater either. Like, I can't just wake up at like 7 o'clock in the morning and eat breakfast. Like, that's just ridiculous and way too early. And you guys, I try not to drink so much coffee, but every now and again, like midday, I go to Dunkin' Donuts and get me an iced coffee, because sometimes I really need the pick-me-up, especially with everything that has been going on lately. And I'm not talking about quarantine or the coronavirus. And for my powder, I'm just taking my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm going to set all the areas that I highlighted. Like, that concealer was absolutely beautiful. Like, it was beautiful. Okay, get on there any day now. So I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face using my Black Radiance Soft Focus powder. So I'm going to go ahead and snatch my nose using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder. I love this powder for my nose contour. Like, it just looks so much more natural and not muddy like the other powder did. Like, it looks so good. And now I'm just going to go ahead and chisel out the rest of my face, like my cheeks. So for that, I'm using this Nicka K Duo. I love this, you guys, and I keep raving about it because it's $1.99 from your local beauty supply store. Go get you some, sis. Like, this has been like up there, like where some of my other bronzers that I really love are at. Like, I love this more than I love the Anastasia bronzer, and I love this more than I love some of my high-end bronzers, you guys. Like, it's crazy. Like, I reach for this one a whole lot more than some others. So I normally just take this shade right here. Sometimes I mix them like when I start to get a tan, but this one right here is just like perfect for me. And then for my eyes, I'm just going to take the same Nicka K contour powder, and I'm going to start with this shade to give me a little bit of definition to my eyes, but not too much going on up there. I feel like I didn't really talk about my setting powder that I use for my face, the Black Radiance Soft Focus, but y'all know, like, I don't even have to talk about that powder anymore. Like, it's pretty much, y'all already know how I feel about that, especially if you have been watching my channel and this is not your first rodeo with me. Like, girl, you already know what's going on. So that's pretty much it. Just something simple, sis. Nothing too much going on. So I do have two different lashes, and today I'm wearing a lighter lash. I'm not going to do minks. I am going to wear either of the two. This one is the Kiss Easy Lashes. I hate when my lighting like fluctuates when I hold up stuff. Like, it's so annoying. I'm working on it, you guys. I'm working on it. So these are the Kiss Easy Lashes in the number 1. I love the number 11s. This will be my first time trying the number 1s. And then these are the Kiss Blowout Lashes in Pompadour. And these are really gorgeous. I like how these are really spaced out. And I like how these are really wispy. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with these because I think that with the bold lip that I'm rocking today is going to be bomb. So I just realized that I wanted to do a wing liner after I've already applied the lashes. So it is what it is. I basically just took this Maybelline Hyper Easy Liner and I put a little bit over the lash band after I applied the lashes, just to make my band and everything look a little bit thicker and a lot blacker. Because the lips are going to be the star of the show anyway, but I still do want my eyes to pop. So today I am not applying blush. What? I'm not using blush? I love blush, but I just want to try something different. I am going to be using highlighter, and this is Wet n Wild Awesome Blossom. I love how golden this highlighter is. It is beautiful. Like, girl, especially when we can go outside, sis, and I can get a tan, sis. Like, this highlighter is going to be everything. The tip of my nose, and I'll put a little right there too. Why not? So to get that highlighter really soaked in and to look like it's just from within, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face using this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I always hold my hand like this, you guys, because I don't want to mess up the hair. Y'all already know. Y'all know sis don't play by her hair. So now I'm just taking this $1 LA Colors eyeliner slash brow pencil, and I'm just gonna line my eyes. And then I'm just gonna follow up with some mascara. This is just a MAC mascara, Extreme Dimension mascara. It's just like the sample size of it. I don't know, like I always say in my videos, some of my videos, I really don't like liner underneath my eyes because my eyes are already small. So I opt for using brown because sometimes I do still want my eyes to be defined. I just don't want to use something like black. Even on my clients, like my sister, she has mono lids. She has really small eyes. And for your clients that are like Asian, you don't want to be using like black on them because it's just going to make their eyes look non-existent. For real. So I just know we're not gonna sit up here and pretend like we don't see how that MAC mascara just made my bottom lashes go kapow, because they look absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off this lip chap that I had on. Not all of it, but just some of it. I think that's enough. So for lipstick, we are going to be using MAC All Fired Up. And it's this beautiful, true hot pink. Like, she hot. Like, she's super hot girl summer. So to line my lips, I'm going to be using NYX lip liner, and this is their matte suede one in Vintage. And see how the lip chap makes it so much easier to glide on the lip, so it's not like super dry and you're like literally scrubbing and rubbing your lips. This is super hot, and this makeup look is simple, bold, and gorgeous, honey. This is it. So this is pretty much the finished makeup look. If you guys have not tried out any of these products that I rave about all the time, go get you some, sis. Safely get you some. And try them out because they are amazing. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. That is pretty much it. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.